Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Snowflake Certification Training Course, Lecture 7. In this lecture we will learn about Snowflake administration and monitoring, managing and monitoring Snowflake accounts, resource management in Snowflake, scaling capabilities of Snowflake, backup strategies for Snowflake, disaster recovery in Snowflake. Conclusion. Managing and monitoring Snowflake accounts. Managing and monitoring Snowflake accounts is essential to ensure optimal performance and scalability of your data warehouse. The key to effective management is understanding the usage patterns of your account, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing best practices to optimize your resources. To monitor your Snowflake account, you should regularly review your usage statistics, identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies, and work to resolve them. You should also implement automated alerts and notifications to stay informed about any potential issues before they become critical. By adopting these best practices, you can ensure that your Snowflake account is running at peak efficiency and delivering maximum value to your organization. Resource management in Snowflake. Resource management is a crucial aspect of Snowflake account optimization. By effectively managing resources, you can ensure optimal performance and scalability of your Snowflake account. Snowflake offers several resource management capabilities such as workload management, virtual warehouses, and automatic scaling. Workload management allows you to prioritize and manage queries based on business needs, while virtual warehouses provide the ability to scale compute resources up or down based on demand. Automatic scaling ensures that resources are allocated efficiently and automatically based on workload demands. Scaling capabilities of Snowflake. Snowflake offers a range of scaling options to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. The first option is vertical scaling, where resources are added to an existing node to increase its power and capacity. This is a good option for businesses that need to quickly scale up their operations without adding more nodes. The second option is horizontal scaling, where additional nodes are added to the system to increase overall capacity. This option is ideal for businesses that have growing workloads and need to add more resources to handle the increased demand. Snowflake also offers automatic scaling, which allows the system to automatically adjust resources based on workload demands. This option is perfect for businesses with fluctuating workloads that require flexibility in their resource allocation. Backup strategies for Snowflake. Backup strategies are crucial for ensuring the safety and security of your Snowflake account. In this slide, we will explore the different backup options available in Snowflake and provide best practices for disaster recovery. Snowflake offers several backup options, including full backups, incremental backups, and time travel. Each option has its own benefits and drawbacks, and it's important to choose the right one for your business needs. We will also discuss best practices for disaster recovery, such as creating a recovery plan and regularly testing your backups. Disaster recovery in Snowflake. Disaster recovery is a critical component of any Snowflake account. In this slide, we will explore the different options available for disaster recovery and provide tips on how to choose the right option for your business needs. The first step in disaster recovery is to identify the potential risks that could impact your Snowflake account. Once you have identified these risks, you can then develop a disaster recovery plan that includes backups, replication, and failover options. One of the most important aspects of disaster recovery is having a backup strategy in place. Snowflake provides several backup options, including full backups, incremental backups, and continuous data protection. Full backups are typically performed weekly or monthly, while incremental backups are performed daily or hourly. Continuous data protection provides real-time replication of data to a secondary location, ensuring minimal data loss in the event of a disaster. When choosing a backup strategy, it is important to consider the recovery time objective (RTO) and recovery point objective (RPO) of your business. Conclusion. In conclusion, managing and monitoring Snowflake accounts is crucial for optimal performance and scalability. Resource management capabilities must be utilized effectively to ensure that the account is optimized. Additionally, understanding the scaling options available and choosing the right one for your business needs is important. Lastly, backup and disaster recovery strategies must be implemented to minimize downtime and data loss. By following these best practices, Snowflake users can maximize the benefits of this powerful data warehousing platform and achieve their business goals.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.